uh Kattis video, which we're gonna do right now. So we're gonna do a C++ template, get some templates that we could use, and then get started with this challenge. Just let me copy continue without supporting, copy that, and then let's get started. So we got our template, and we see right here carrots are good for everyone. First of all, they give you a good night vision. Instead of having your lights at home, you can eat carrots and save your energy. So input starts with two integers on a single line denoting the number of contestants and the number of Hufflepuff to solve. In total, the M follows an inch line. You'll be given the number of contestants and a hypothetical count. The number of Hufflepuff. So the number of carrots. So I'll put the number of carrots I'll be handing out during the contest. So these two, I'm assuming, is the 2 lines of words, and this one's how many carrots we're gonna be receiving, which is 1. The second one is 5, so it's 5. So it's basically, we just need to print out the second number. So this is gonna be pretty easy. So all you need to do is just like delete all of this right here, and probably just do int a, then b, then send a and b. And now we're gonna do send ignore, because after you do a send with after you send an a and a b, you want to be able to ignore, I guess, the new line. It's always when you switch over to strings. So now we'll do for every int I equals 0, I is less than a, I plus plus, and then we'll do get line, which is gonna read by every line, and we're gonna send by c, which is just a new variable that we need to make or come up with. So we'll do like string c, and now we'll just do c out p, return 0. So we submit this. This should be the answer for that. This should be, and I forgot semicolons. Did I forget anything? That was the only one I forgot. Then we input this. I'm just waiting on everything, and it solved it. Now that gets solved as 1.3. And now we have to do the next problem. $77. Still hasn't updated. It's gonna take a while. We gotta do the next one, which is just if we go right here, problems. We gotta match it by total. We should get our next one right now, which is Tarifa. So Perro has negotiated a very good data plan with his internet provider. The provider will let it use X megabytes to surf the internet per month. Each megabyte that he doesn't spend a month gets transferred to the next one, can still be spent. If we know the amount of megabytes spent, just how many megabytes per week we have n plus 1 using the plan. So this probably has to do with months per day used. So we're not gonna upload a file. Start coding, steal the templates, and grab it right here. So input, the first line contains the x, so it contains the integer x, which is the amount of megabytes used. So let's just get started with that. So we'll just do this. We'll start by using int x, which is the megabytes, and then we want to do the second line inputs the n, which is number of months. So int n is number of months. Now we want to read those in, so which are the first two. So send x and send n. Then we want to be able to contain each of the following line contains an integer pi, the number of megabytes spent in each of the first month of using the plan. So number will be such that we'll never use more than he actually has. So this is basically the amount he's used up. So we have to make up a used up amount. And then we want to go over the months. So every int I is equal to 0. I is less than n, which is the months. Then plus I. And then what we do is just make a temporary variable. And with it, that temporary variable will read in. And then we'll just add it up to the used. So it'll be used plus equals temp. And then temp gets overridden for every amount that we see here. So it'll be three months, and these are, I guess, the amount he used every month. So it'll be 462. So that's 10, 12. And then after that, all we need to do is basically just do the math at the end, which is just C out X times the months plus n, so it'll be n times plus 1 minus how much we used, because this is how much we used in total. Yeah, this is the n amount of months used in the plan, n plus 1, that's where that comes in. X is the megabytes we have in total, and then just this is how much they used. They already used up. So now if we just so it'll be 3. So it'll be 4. 4 times the amount is 40, and then so that should be good. So we submit this, I guess return 0, and submit this. We should get, unless I messed up somewhere right around here, but I don't think I did. Let's check this out again. Oh, use is 0. Months. That should be it. And I accepted it. So now if we check Kattis, we went up to 783, which may get us at 17623. But maybe that gets us out of there. No, I think we're still gonna be at 7, because I think last time we were 719. But yeah, that's about it for this problem. Nothing too amazing. Just something simple. And anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.